recently celebrated his birthday. Today we are at the music launch of Ashutosh Gowarkar's Jodha Akbar. Mr. A.R. Rahman, first of all, happy birthday, belated. How's the feeling like the music has been launched of Jodha Akbar?
Very exciting, and there's a long due. It felt good watching all the 5 songs with the people.
What is your favorite track in the film?
All of them.
Talking about Azim Shan Shahenshah, the thing is there's a lot of percussion into it, and the way it's been picturized, it's a very grand, opulent kind of experience. What are the brief that was given to you?
Brief was if 10,000 drummers are there and you have all these people celebrating, what would be heard? Only voice and drums. So we kept it minimalistic in a way, with a lot of drums and voice rather than having too many other instruments, melodic instruments.
Javed Ali is known because of Kajrare, but the way he has sung the particular song in this album, it's totally different from what he has sung earlier.
We discovered him in the process of doing the music, and both of us discovered that this is a great voice and it should be used for a song like that.
It's a period film. What kind of preparation do you do? What kind of research did you do for such a...
Research was done, but later we decided creatively to change things and make it more friendly to contemporary audience also, and not taking the effect of period.
कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरां है, फूल से खुशबू खफा खफा है गुलशन में.
Khwaja, mere Khwaja, you've sung it yourself. You have a certain spiritual bent of mind as well, Sufi bent of mind as well. How was the experience of recording that particular track?
There's a song on Khwaja Sahab I wanted to do for almost 15 years, but I could never do that. And I always thought that the permission has to come from there, to do it. And 3-4 years back, this tune came in and recorded it. Not for this film. And when I played it to Ashutosh, he liked it and he started using it.
What different have you done in terms of orchestration, in terms of live instrumentation?
Just watch it. You'll know.
Thank you very much, sir. That is A.R. Rahman talking about his next venture, Jodha Akbar. That's all we have from India FM Broadband. Keep on watching.